Yo, what is good, Flex fam? I'm back with another video, and today we are gonna talk about my first pickup for the season. I'm hyped, and yeah, it's been a while since I made a video, so I hope you all had a great time, and now you will get new content, good content, and of course new hypebeast content. So let's go to the review. So the first pickup for me in the season is the Supreme bag. No, jokes by the side, but we got here the Supreme classic bag, and then we have the waist bag or belt bag, how you're gonna call it, from the season in black. We will come to it later. And then we have the shower cap. I will not unds it, but this is the shower cap, so if you want to see me wearing the shower cap, leave a like in the comment, and maybe in the future there will be a video about this. So this is a little drop gift from the season. And then we have, of course, the classic box logo sticker. Unfortunately not the leader and the swan sticker, but oh, it's fine, I mean, it's okay. And yes, that's all I bought for the first drop. I was not too excited about it, not too hyped, and the standout times were horrible, and I decided to pick up this thing here, and now we are gonna get some shots from it, and then I talk about the quality and the wearability of the thing. So let's go. So, back at the spot. Hope you like the shots. If yes, leave a like, and by the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new. I would really appreciate it, and shout out to the new subscribers. Really love you. And now we continue with the belt bag. So first of all, the quality of the thing, and the quality is quite poor. I mean, if you compare with an E-Spec belt bag, the E-Spec thing is better, and the E-Spec costs $20, so that's not good, Supreme. The stitching is quite poor, and even the box logo right here is poorly done, so that's not the quality I expect from Supreme, and I never had such a bad quality from Supreme, so that is not good. But the materials overall are quite good. I mean, it's okay, you got the thing lasered here, the logo, and yeah, the wearability is also quite nice. It's black, I got the black for me. The ice one is also quite cool, but I think the olive one is still available on the site 1 week after the drop, so if you want, you can cop it right now. But yeah, it's quite okay. You have enough space for your phone, your AirPods, your things like that. It will fit all in here, and I am not regretting this cop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. More content will follow in the next weeks or days, so stay tuned for that. Hit the bell icon right there, and thanks for your support. I will see you in the next video. Bye.